Hello viewers and welcome to this session. Today we're going to be talking about machine safeguarding, and workers often get exposed to various machine parts in the workplace. So when we talk about machine safeguard, it is a safety feature that is installed around dangerous machine parts like moving or rotating parts to make sure that accidental contact with these parts is prevented. Okay. Now, it is also important to note that this feature, which is the guard system, serves as a physical barrier between the worker and the machine parts. Okay. Now, there are various forms of guards. Okay. We have a fixed guard, which is installed maybe with a bolt or bolt and nuts or with screws. So in order to take it off, you need some form of permission before it can be taken off. And usually this happens during maintenance activities. Of course, before you do that, you have to make sure that the machine has been isolated or locked out and tagged out before those forms of maintenance are performed on it. We can also talk about adjustable guards, which mostly you find on machines like a lathe machine, So you could also find it on other forms of machinery where the guard can be adjusted into various positions in order for the work to be done safely. We can talk about perimeter guard, which is some form of a fence around the machine. You can consider like a robot, which is working. So the robot area is fenced around so that workers do not have access into those areas. If you look at a common example also is it's a transformer. So you notice mostly transformers that are installed on the ground are usually fenced around, so that because this is high voltage, so that even the public doesn't have access to making contact with the transformer. We can talk about two-hand control systems where in order to operate some form of dangerous machinery, you have to use both hands just to make sure that your hand is not in a dangerous area before the machine is started. And this is also a form of guarding. Then we can talk about interlock guards. Interlock guards are also mostly found in machines that if these parts are exposed, could cause severe injuries. So anytime the guard is not in place, the machine will stop if it's in operation, or it will not start if you are about to start it the first time. Okay. We can also talk about presence sensing systems. So these are like some kind of laser systems, which is also put around the dangerous machine, so that the moment the sensors sense you or you cross the laser, then it will trigger the machine to stop because you are about to enter a dangerous area. So, this is very important, and I recommend you to evaluate your workplace to see what kind of opportunities are there with respect to machine guarding, and some or all of these, depending on what exactly is the situation, can be implemented to create a safe workplace for the workers. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and also subscribe.